slim, thick. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her.
Hey y'all, it's Deesh Bae back with another makeup tutorial. I'm again using E.l.f. cosmetic products. Right now I'm going in with the E.l.f. brow pencil. And this pencil is very good. Like, I have no problems with this pencil. I'm definitely probably going to add this to the kit. Now we're going to go in with the 16-hour Camo Wear Concealer in Deep Chestnut. And I love this concealer. Like, it's so full coverage, so matte. But right now I'm just bringing the concealer down and cleaning up my brows. And now I'm going to blend out the concealer on my lid with a fluffy brush. Yes, 18 Hits a Wonder palette by E.l.f. Cosmetics. Definitely a colorful palette you could play in. I'm going in with that evergreen shade. I'm just going to pack that color in so you can see it, the real pretty green. This is a very pretty shade. I love it. And now we're going to go in with that solar shade, that yellow shade on the end corner of my eye. I'm trying to give you that vibe of a tropical summer. I love how they blend it so well together. And now I'm going to go in with that shade called Pave, because we paving the way for y'all hoes. No, I'm just kidding. But yes, I just put it on the corner of my eye just to give it a little pop. And here goes just the eyes, y'all. I put a little glitter on the top of the liner to add a little wow factor. So yes, and the lashes is popping. Yes, now we got the E.l.f. Poreless Primer Putty. This is definitely a holy grail. Like, ever since I've been using this primer, it's been making my makeup look amazing. And I'm just gonna continue using it. Every time I go to the stores, this stuff is sold out, ladies. So if you want it, you better get it fast. For real fast. And now I'm just massaging the primer in the skin. But we're going to go in with that Coco shade. This is like my perfect shade for wintertime. And I'm just using my stippling brush from Rose Cosmetics and just stippling that foundation right into the skin. This is a satin matte foundation, and it makes the skin look like skin honey. It just melts right on in. And I'm just gonna keep stippling it in the skin, because baby, it just melted in my skin like butter. I'm really loving it. Okay, now we're going in with my contour palette, and I'm gonna highlight with that banana shade. This contour palette, ladies, is very nice. Like, if you're just starting to learn to contour, I would definitely say get this palette. It's definitely will help you, and I feel like it's really a good contour palette just to be $8. Mind y'all, I'm kind of guessing on these prices, so don't quote me, but their products are very, very cheap, like very. And now I'm gonna go in with that concealer in 16-hour Camo Wear in Deep Cinnamon. I just love this concealer. Y'all know how much I love this concealer. It's definitely full coverage. It definitely gets the job done. And now I'm just going to contour while that concealer sits and dries. And I'm going in with the darkest shade in the contour palette and just stippling in on the side of my cheeks and the top of my forehead. And now we're just going to blend out that concealer finally. Blend, blend, blend. You see how it just melts into my skin? I love it. But we're just going to keep blending it out, sister. Keep blending it till it's so smooth that you can't notice any imperfections. But this, like I said, this concealer is definitely full coverage. Okay, now we're going to bronze with my Kiss Contour Palette and the E.l.f. bronzer. Mind you, this bronzer does have primer infused in it. That's what it says on there. And I honestly like it. It warms up my skin very well. Maybe if it was in the shade a little darker, but I do like it so far. And now I'm going to set my under arm with the RMCA powder. Now this is not a drugstore powder. This is an expensive powder, but it definitely sets the under eyes perfectly. Like, since I got this, I have not used any other powder, honestly. I haven't. And now I'm gonna highlight with that same Kiss contour palette, and it has like a little highlight shade that I'm using on the side of my cheeks and on the tip of my little nose. But this fan little brush is beautiful. This is an E.l.f. fan brush from the little glow kit set. And now I'm gonna set my face with the spray. Fan me up, baby, and let's go, because this beat is amazing. Yes, honey, this beat is so amazing. It's so beautiful. I love the pigment. I love the color. Yes, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I was so feeling myself after this look, y'all. I love it. I love it. And I even contour my lip even cute, y'all. I look like I got some plump lips. But no, I'm really feeling myself, y'all. But like I said, please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all the support I have gotten so far. So thank you so much. It's Deesh Bae, y'all.
Since day one, I guess I'm gonna have to call her back. I guess I'm gonna have to